In this video, I'll show you how to link a PayPal account from the UAE to your Payoneer account and what options are actually possible. First, it's important to understand that PayPal and Payoneer do not have a direct connection feature. That means you won't find a simple Connect PayPal button inside Payoneer. Instead, the usual method is to link your Payoneer receiving bank account inside PayPal. Start by signing in to your Payoneer account and go to Get Paid. Then open Receiving Accounts. Look for your USD receiving account details, which include the bank name, routing number, and account number. These details work like a US bank account. Next, log into your PayPal UAE account and go to Wallet. Click Link a bank account, then enter the Payoneer receiving account details exactly as they appear in Payoneer. Make sure the account holder name matches your PayPal account name to avoid verification issues. After submitting the details, PayPal may send small test deposits to confirm the account. Once verified, you can withdraw funds from PayPal to the Payoneer receiving account like a normal bank withdrawal. From there, the money will appear in your Payoneer balance, and you can withdraw it to your local bank account if needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.